What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. Welcome back to the vlog. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are having an excellent week. This is Monday today. By the time this video goes out, it's probably gonna be Tuesday or maybe Wednesday, I don't know. Today I'm at the yard. As you see already, I'm here in the truck. I'm gonna be working in the truck. I have several things to do. They all have to do with leaking air. I have several quick connects that are bad. I have one under the seat that's leaking a lot of air, and then these right here too that I have for external, in case I have down here, in case I have to engage another trailer or something. They're leaking air. I guess one of them went bad as well. So nothing, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are doing good, and with all that being said, let's start this vlog. So I have to take that skirt off, the one that goes right here that covers the air tank, because I don't know if I told you in a previous video or not, but the line that comes here to the thing that blows, which is here, the thing that you could blow the truck with, that line is leaking air through there a lot. It's gotten worse through time. So I have to take off the side skirt because it's right down there. See that green line? Right up here. Right there. I took off, there's a nut that goes here. I already took it off. I have to figure out how does this come up, because it doesn't want to come up. So I have to figure out how does this come out. Okay, so I also have a leak here, but I think it's because this is loose. See, that's loose. So I'm gonna tie this up and we'll see. So I fixed that one there. I just have to finish it up. I fixed that leak there already. I changed let me clean my hands a bit. I don't want to dirty the whole truck. See, I changed out the quick connect that I had here. I changed it out, but I don't want it to be like this because it was like that. So I have to go to the place and find an L that can turn this way, so this cable can turn this one, then turn up, so it can come out, so it can be, so it won't be putting, so this rubber here won't be putting pressure on the actual line here, because that's how it breaks it. When it has too much pressure like that, from going up and down the seat, it starts to break it down there. So I have to find an L so I can bring it out and then bring it back up, maybe tie it up here or something. Oh, it's loose too. Oh my god. All right, let's keep going. Alright, so as you saw, it's night already now. Just got home. I had to take the bike out again today because I had to take the truck, the OBS, I had to take it to get the air fixed again. So I had to use the bike, But anyhow, going back to the topic, I got stuck with the thing that I was doing in the truck today. I wasn't able to do everything that I had to do. So tomorrow I have to get up early and go over there again to finish up the day. So I will see you guys in the morning. Next day here, guys. Go ahead. I'll take it. Go ahead. Comment down below. I know some of you guys are not gonna be able to hold it down. Comment down below what you think about my hair. I just do it for the hell of it. My girl likes it. She likes the fact that I'm like that. I just change things up quick. I just do it just to mess around with everybody and stuff like that. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. What you guys think about it. I think it's funny. But I think it looks cool at the same time. Something different. But anyhow, it is the next day. Like I said, it's in the morning now. I'm on the way to Miami Star. I have a few things that I need to pick up so I can finish the truck. Hopefully I can finish it today, because tomorrow it's supposed to rain, and it's supposed to rain till like Friday, and I do not want to be at the yard working on the truck when it's raining, because it is super uncomfortable, obviously, right? Nobody wants to get wet. All that being said, let's just get the day rolling, girls and boys. So Miami Star was a complete fail. They did not have anything that I needed, and the little things they did have, I don't know, it looks like New Year stands for charging more for their prices. Anyhow, I'm actually on the way now to Mecca. It's another chrome shop they have close by locally here in Medley that I'm gonna go check out them to see if I find a better price on the things I need. Because here in Miami Star, I don't know what happened with the prices, but half of the stuff that I needed they didn't have. And the 2 or 3 things that I found, like the chrome trimming around the lights that go, they used to be like $4, $5. Now they're like $7. They went up ridiculously, you know. And the lights that I need, the ones I use don't even have them. And then if I have to put new lights all over the place, I can't, because I'm not gonna replace all my lights because I need one light. I'd rather just go out and find a different one at a different, the same light at a different location, because I'm gonna go ahead and change all my lights again, you know. So let's see what happens. All right, so back at the yard. So just a few things that I got. I picked up 2 new lines, 2 new air lines. These are brand new, obviously. They are picked up. They're not stretched up or anything like that. I also got the light that I was missing. These 2 bezels, chrome bezels, and I got my power line that goes to the trailer as well. These power lines on my trailer go bad a lot, and I'll show you why right now. See, when they start to get old, they stretch. See, now once when I put the new ones, how short they're gonna be. So these lines, they start to stretch because obviously you're turning and the whole process. And then the green one also stretches a lot because. And then I don't mind them stretching. What I do mind is up there. See how it's turned down? That's because it has all the weight of the whole line on it. Then the contact in there, they start to give a fault contact, and then my lights, when I turn my lights, they blink, they dim, all my lights in the trailer, and that's because of that. So now I have to take all this off and let's get to work. Start changing them out. All right, so I have my hoses. Like I said, these 2 are good already. I was able to do these already, so we're good on this one. I started doing this one too, but I want to show you how it's done. So when you buy the hoses, the airlines, they come like that. That's how they come when you buy them. In the old ones, I guess I had an older model, and I had this fitting in between this and this here. So I had this was on here like that, and then this was on here like that, but these 2 measurements are different. So what I have to do is eliminate this fitting, because now I'm guessing these are the new style. This size fitting that hooks up to this fitting is the same size as your airline. So I eliminated that one. Now what you gotta do is you add Teflon on here so you'll have no leaks at all, so it can be perfect. And then you hook this up. So let's get to it. Let me get the Teflon. I already got it right here. You don't have to put, you have to put a lot, but not too much either. Because if you do too much, then once it starts to hook it up, once you start hooking everything up, you're gonna drag, you're gonna pull on all the Teflon, and you don't want to do it because you want your Teflon to be on there. So once you have it on there, you make sure that it's good everywhere, all tight and neat. I'll show you what it can look like. It's all tight and neat everywhere. And just simply hook up. This is all, if I'm not mistaken, 1/2 inch quick disconnect with a spacer on it. A hook. It's a 1/2 inch. I think that's what you call it. I'll make sure, but I think I am 100% sure. If I'm not mistaken, if you give me 1 second, I would guarantee that in just a second. Give me 1 second. I'll be back. So yes, I am right. This is the 1/2 inch disconnect as well, and this is your 1/2 inch. I think this is, yeah, I'm not mistaken. This is the male, and this is the female. They both have to be 1/2 inch because this connects this way. I have my new ones here already, so yeah. So remember, guys, 1/2 inch. You want this to work? It's 1/2 inch quick disconnect. See? Easy and simple, and it saves. Me personally, I like it more. Some people rather have the Glad hands, but me personally, I rather have this because this, when they're stuck with WD-40, you can really easy engage and disengage with any issues. When you have the Glad hands, most of the times, when you don't really disconnect a lot, when it's time to disconnect or connect, you have issues doing that. Remember, when you have issues doing that because it gets all dirty inside there, and when you hook up, it gets dirty. There you go, guys. So you have everything set up. To tie these things down, you don't have to tie them like the world is ending. You have to tie them, but not like the world is ending, because if you do have to take them off at some point, then you're gonna have a bad time taking them off. So let me hook these up and let me show you.
Could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Chance for me to learn your memories. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose
Alright guys, so the next thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be changing out my tires from one side to the other. The other tire is wearing out a little bit. It's not wearing out evenly. My shocks are good, my bearings are good, my alignment is good. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if that started happening before I changed out my shocks, because I did change out my shocks after I put in the new tires. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera. I don't know if it records it, but this side here has worn out differently from the rest of the tire. So since I can change my tires from one side to the other because the rotation on these tires don't matter, I'm gonna do that now to see if I can save the tire, so I won't have to go out and buy 2 new tires, because these tires are only 1 year old and they have plenty of thread left. So with all that being said, let's jack up the truck, let's get the gun out, and let's start working on the truck. guys, so as you see, I am home already. Thank God, because I am a little tired. I'm actually gonna have a beer now. I want a cold beer. So we did several things. You know, we got the lines fixed, a couple air leaks that I had. What else? I still have another few things that I have to do, but that's gonna be on another video that I'm gonna start tomorrow. So, I also changed the tires. Remember, I changed the tires from one side to the other. Sorry. So, I want to take a quick second and thank you guys again for the love, for the support. You're killing it. Keep on. Don't stop. That motivates me a lot to keep on doing videos for you guys, so you guys keep learning, or so you guys can keep watching as entertainment. With all that being said, I hope you guys are doing good. Peace, and keep on trucking.